And as cases continue to rise across India, states have stepped up vigil. India, remember, has reported nearly 1.7 lakh cases in the last 24 hours, over 1.69 lakh cases to be precise. Now, the governments of Delhi, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu have called for emergency meetings to discuss steps to combat the spike in cases in their respective states. It is 1.68 lakh cases, new fresh cases that have been witnessed, reported in the past 24 hours, 904 deaths nationwide. Priyanka, my colleague, joining us from Maharashtra, and then I'll go across to other reporters joining us from both the national capital and Tamil Nadu as well. Priyanka, as for Maharashtra, every day we're looking at a spike and it is breaking the previous record. So this time around, once again, over 60,000 plus cases being reported from Maharashtra alone. And as for Mumbai, almost 10,000 cases being reported on a daily basis. But we also have SEC that will be discussing Sputnik V authorization today. So all eyes on vaccination drive that continues in the country as well. Remember how we have been discussing that at least 5 new vaccines could be given approval for emergency authorization across India. And now the subject expert committee will also be meeting today to take up Sputnik V application for emergency use authorization in India. That is the information we're picking up as we keep up with the state-wise developments as well. Priyanka, as for Maharashtra is concerned, more and more cases being reported. There is, of course, shortage of the doses. Hospitals are also flooded with COVID-19 patients. So a very, very serious situation we're looking at. A meeting that is all set to take place of the Maharashtra government as well to discuss what next.
Well, in the last 24 hours, there have been over 9,989 cases and 58 deaths that have been recorded in the entire state. And of course, like you said, that the situation is only getting worse, and which is why we are seeing back-to-back meetings on consecutive days since the last 3 days. That first, of course, was an all-party meeting where the BJP had come out and then said that, yes, we are mulling over a lockdown. The Chief Minister is in favor of a lockdown, and he did have a meeting with the COVID task force yesterday and again today, all set to have another round of meetings with the COVID task force to understand how and for how long this lockdown can be implemented in the entire state of Maharashtra, because the COVID task force, and not just that, but the CM has also said that he is interacting with several people from different backgrounds, different professions, to understand how much people will be affected with this probable lockdown that will be implemented in the entire state. They are mulling over a lockdown for over probably 2 or 3 weeks. This is something that will be made clear after the meeting today that will be headed by the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. But like you said, the situation on the ground getting worse by the day because they are running out of beds. There are more and more cases that are being registered every day, and the death ratio also in the state of Maharashtra not really looking well, which is why these kind of meetings are taking place here in the state. And Uddhav Thackeray, the Chief Minister, today is going to probably take a decision as to how long this lockdown will be implemented in the state of Maharashtra.
All right.